What are the 4 stages of sleep and why do they matter for your health? A good night's sleep is more than simply closing your eyes. Your body moves through 4 important stages: light transition sleep, stable light sleep, deep sleep, and REM dream sleep. Each stage has a job. Light sleep helps the body slow down. Deep sleep supports repair, recovery, immune function, and morning energy. REM sleep helps with memory, emotional balance, creativity, and mental clarity. But stress, pain, screen time, irregular schedules, aging, and nighttime discomfort can interrupt this cycle. That is why some people sleep for many hours but still wake up tired, tense, or unrefreshed. Healthy habits can help: keeping a consistent sleep schedule, reducing screens before bed, creating a cooler and darker bedroom, stretching gently, and calming the mind before sleep. For deeper sleep support, PEMF therapy may also help create a more restful environment. It is not a sedative. Instead, PEMF uses gentle pulsed electromagnetic fields to support relaxation, circulation, muscle ease, and nervous system balance. MiraMate Magic Pro is a full-body PEMF mat designed for comfortable at-home use. It can be placed under the mattress for quiet overnight support, helping the body settle into a calmer recovery state. Better sleep is not just about time in bed. It is about helping your body move through each stage more smoothly.